Why don't computers take their hats off? Because they have bad data hair. A little humor to start your day off right. But let's shift gears from jokes to something that we all need to take seriously: the cleanliness of our laptops. It's not just about keeping them looking good, it's about making sure they're functioning at their best too. So, buckle up as we dive into the ins and outs of cleaning your laptop without causing any damage. Now that you've had a laugh, let's dive into the serious matter of keeping your laptop clean and healthy. Did you know your laptop can be a breeding ground for bacteria? Yes, it's not just your health you have to care about, but your laptops too. Now you might be thinking, it's just a bit of dust and some fingerprints. Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. The accumulation of dust and grime not only tarnishes the sleek look of your device, but it can also interfere with its performance. Dust inside the laptop can clog the ventilation, leading to overheating and potential damage to the internal components. Grime on the keyboard can make keys stick, and over time, can even cause them to fail. Moreover, a dirty laptop can pose health risks. Just think about it. Your hands are constantly touching the keyboard and the trackpad, which can easily become a hotspot for germs and bacteria. So it's clear that a clean laptop is crucial for both your health and your device's performance. Before we start, make sure you have the right tools for the job. First up, a can of compressed air. This is perfect for blowing away dust and debris that's hiding in hard-to-reach areas. Next, a microfiber cloth. It's soft, gentle, and won't scratch your screen. Then, isopropyl alcohol. This will sanitize your laptop without causing any damage. Lastly, cotton swabs. These are great for cleaning those tiny crevices. These simple tools are all you need to give your laptop a proper clean. With your tools in hand, you're ready to start the cleaning process. Let's dive into it, shall we? First things first, before you start, always ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. This is not just to protect your laptop, but also to keep you safe. Electricity and liquids, as we all know, don't mix well. Now, let's start with the keyboard, the part of your laptop that sees the most action. Begin by using compressed air to dislodge any crumbs or dust that may have found a home between your keys. Hold the can at about a 45-degree angle and give it a good blast. Remember not to get too trigger happy with the compressed air. You don't want to blow your keys off. Next, take a clean, lint-free cloth, lightly dampened with distilled water. Gently wipe the surface of the keyboard to eliminate any remaining dirt or oils. Be sure not to drench the cloth. We're cleaning a laptop, not performing a water-bending trick. Moving on to the screen. This precious part of your laptop deserves the soft touch of a microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the screen in a circular motion. If your screen is particularly grimy, you can slightly dampen the cloth with distilled water. Again, remember, a little goes a long way. Finally, let's tackle those ports. Take a cotton swab, dip it in a bit of rubbing alcohol, and get to work. The alcohol will help to dissolve any stubborn grime, and the swab allows you to reach those hard-to-get places. Just be sure the swab isn't dripping wet. You don't want to introduce liquid where it's not welcome. And there you have it. A clean, happy laptop. Not only does it look better, but regular cleaning can also extend the life of your device. So, give your laptop the spa day it deserves, and it'll keep working hard for you. Let's quickly recap the important points from our cleaning process. We've learned that it's crucial to keep our laptops clean for their longevity and optimal performance. Dust and debris can clog up your system, leading to overheating and sluggish performance. So regular cleaning isn't just cosmetic, it's preventative maintenance. Next, we discussed the necessary cleaning supplies. You'll need a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. Remember, never use water or household cleaners on your device. They can cause damage that's irreparable. We also walked through the cleaning process step by step. Start by powering down your laptop and unplugging it. Blow out the dust with compressed air, wipe the surfaces with a lightly dampened microfiber cloth, and clean the keyboard with a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol. Remember, less is more when it comes to moisture. Remember, a clean laptop is a happy laptop. Until next time, keep your tech clean and your data hair in check. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. Did you find this video helpful? Do you have any other tips or tricks for keeping your laptop clean and running smoothly? Let us know in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more relevant content for all our viewers. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We regularly share tech tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your devices. Also, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Remember, technology shouldn't be intimidating. With the right knowledge and tools, you can maintain your tech in top shape. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your tech clean and your data secure.